Mail's in, all the way from Tully in far North Queensland, are these 19 Nascars. I'm going to have a look at them for a friend of mine and try and restore them to workhorse speed. So see if I can get them all to be good rollers and maybe better. So let's have a closer look at them. Some beautiful old Racing Champions cars and others in this lot, but a lot of people would know far more about them than me. Let's have a slight move in. Look forward to seeing them on a future Survivor Reviver series. I don't think I'll be doing them all at once, but we'll see how we go. Some of them are currently not rollers, but we'll give it a go. It's always good to help someone out. Cheers. CutRock'R.